Good morning, students. Today, we will be delving into the fascinating field of endocrinology, specifically focusing on the intricate relationship between hormones and fluid balance in the human body. This topic plays a crucial role in maintaining homeostasis and ensuring optimal bodily functions. Hormones, as you may already know, are chemical messengers secreted by various endocrine glands. These glands release hormones into the bloodstream, where they travel to target tissues and organs, exerting their effects. In the realm of fluid balance, hormones play a vital role in regulating the distribution of fluids within the body, influencing factors such as blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and osmoregulation. Now, let us begin our exploration by discussing the first topic in detail. One such hormone is antidiuretic hormone, ADH, also known as vasopressin, produced in the hypothalamus and released from the posterior pituitary gland. ADH acts on the kidneys to reabsorb water, resulting in decreased urine output and increased blood volume. Additionally, aldosterone, produced in the adrenal glands, plays a key role in fluid balance by promoting sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion in the kidneys. Renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAAS, also contributes to fluid balance regulation. Renin is released by the kidneys in response to low blood pressure, initiating a cascade of events that leads to the production of angiotensin II. Angiotensin II then stimulates aldosterone release, promoting sodium and water retention. Other hormones involved in fluid balance regulation include atrial natriuretic peptide, ANP, which opposes the effects of aldosterone by promoting sodium and water excretion, and brain natriuretic peptide, BNP, released by the heart in response to increased pressure. I hope this overview provides you with a good understanding of the involvement of various hormones in the regulation of fluid balance in the human body. One of the most pivotal hormonal systems involved in fluid balance control is the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, commonly referred to as RAS. This system plays a significant role in regulating blood pressure and electrolyte balance. ADH is released by the posterior pituitary gland in response to low blood volume or increased blood osmolality. It acts on the kidneys by increasing the permeability of the collecting ducts, allowing more water to be reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. This leads to the production of concentrated urine, reducing water loss and maintaining proper fluid balance. ADH also plays a role in regulating blood pressure through its vasoconstrictive effects. Dysfunction of ADH release or action can result in conditions such as diabetes insipidus or syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone, SIAD, which can disrupt fluid balance. ANP is produced by the atrial cells of the heart in response to increased blood volume. It acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the excretion of sodium and water, and counteracts the effects of hormones such as ADH and aldosterone. When there is an increase in sodium levels or a decrease in potassium levels in the blood, the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system is activated, leading to the release of aldosterone. Aldosterone then acts on the distal tubules and collecting ducts in the kidneys to increase sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion. This results in increased retention of water, thereby maintaining blood volume and blood pressure. Aldosterone also indirectly affects fluid balance by stimulating the reabsorption of water through its actions on the renal tubules. This hormone promotes the synthesis and insertion of sodium channels in the apical membrane of the tubule cells. This activity allows for increased passive reabsorption of water along with sodium and chloride ions. Overall, aldosterone and other mineralocorticoids help regulate fluid balance by maintaining the appropriate levels of sodium and potassium in the body. This hormone is essential for maintaining normal blood pressure and preventing dehydration or fluid overload. Understanding the role of aldosterone in fluid balance is important for medical students as it enables them to grasp the complex mechanisms involved in maintaining homeostasis within the body. As we delve into the intricate world of hormones and their role in fluid balance, let us not overlook the significant influence of parathyroid hormone, PTH, on this delicate equilibrium. While PTH primarily governs calcium levels within our bodies, it also exerts its effects on fluid regulation. Notably, PTH enhances the reabsorption of calcium in the kidneys, inadvertently impacting water reabsorption as well. This intricate interplay between PTH, calcium, and fluid balance highlights the complexity of our endocrine system and its profound impact on maintaining homeostasis. Thyroid hormones, namely thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3, play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance within the body. These hormones affect multiple organ systems, including the kidneys, where they enhance urine production. As a result, more water is excreted from the body, leading to increased fluid loss. By understanding the impact of thyroid hormones on fluid regulation, healthcare professionals can better comprehend the interconnectedness of endocrine and renal systems, ultimately improving patient care. Cortisol, a glucocorticoid hormone secreted by the adrenal glands, has a multifaceted impact on fluid balance. It promotes the reabsorption of sodium and enhances the excretion of potassium, contributing to fluid balance control. Insulin, a vital hormone known for its role in regulating glucose levels, plays a significant role in maintaining fluid balance as well. One of its key functions is to enhance the reabsorption of sodium and water within the kidneys. This process directly impacts the volume and pressure of blood circulating throughout the body. By ensuring proper reabsorption of these essential components, insulin contributes to the overall stability of fluid levels and, consequently, helps maintain optimal fluid balance in the body. Growth hormone, GH, not only plays a role in growth and development but also has an impact on fluid regulation. It works in synergy with other hormones, such as ADH and ANP, to maintain fluid balance within the body. Ghrelin, a hormone commonly referred to as the hunger hormone, plays a pivotal role in regulating appetite. However, its effects are not limited to controlling hunger. Recent research has shown that ghrelin also impacts fluid balance in the body. It affects our sensation of thirst, as well as the functioning of our kidneys and the balance of electrolytes. Ultimately, these influences on various systems within our body contribute to maintaining fluid homeostasis, which is essential for our overall health. Estrogen, a primary female sex hormone, can affect fluid balance through its impact on renal function and sodium excretion. It plays a role in water retention during various stages of the menstrual cycle. In conclusion, hormones play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance by regulating factors such as blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and osmoregulation. The interplay between various hormones ensures that our bodies maintain optimal fluid levels, allowing us to function at our best. Thank you for joining me in this in-depth exploration of the intricate relationship between hormones and fluid balance. I hope this knowledge will serve as a solid foundation for your future medical practice.